And who is ready to unbox this beauty? I always feel like I need like the, you know, the angel light to come out when it's such awesome stuff like this. This is our best mom ever set. It's amazing. It's beautiful. I'm so excited. I am personally keeping this one. And so this is mine, and I'm excited to show you guys. So first you see this gorgeous sleeve, right? This sleeve tells you everything that's in it. It goes into details on the back, has all the ingredients for everything that's in it, but it comes with this super pretty sleeve, okay? So we're gonna take this sleeve right off. So when you open this box, this is what you're going to see. You guys, how excited are you? Okay, so right here on the top is a Mother's Day card. It says Happy Mother's Day. It has to and from on the back, so you can write a little note to whoever you are gifting this to. That's going to be right at the top, so you don't have to open or look at anything else if you are gifting this, however you can. But if you want to just write a note and then put it all right back together, you can even put the sleeve back on. So the sleeve, it actually goes in pretty easily. I spent, you know, the time at operations putting it on. You just get it on the two corners, tip it upside down. You can put the sleeve right back on it and nobody will know that you opened it and wrote the personal note in there. So it's really cool that it has it because it is ready to just gift. Okay, so we're taking that sleeve off again. I'm opening the box again. So this is the Best Mom Ever card that it comes with, that you can write a nice little card and, you know, just appreciation for whatever mom or, you know, grandma or sister or whoever that you're getting this awesome Mother's Day gift for. And then you can see this is what it has. So we have some crinkle paper, you know, just to make it look a little bit more fun and pretty. We're going to remove the crinkle paper. Crinkle paper, and I'm going to throw it away quickly before my kids get a hold of it. Did you hear how excited this kid just got when I said crinkle paper? Okay, so all of these might be boxed just a tiny bit different because there's different people putting them together. But you have some socks, and these socks I am the absolute most excited for, and I'm going to show you why. So I'm going to open them. Yeah, I'm going to show them what that is in a minute. So right here are the socks that it comes with. Okay, look at how cute. It's the little tangerines on them. Whoa. So the tangerines are pretty bright orange, and then you have this adorable pink. What I can see from the camera, the colors on the screen reflect it really well from what I can see, so I think it will be a good representation. The socks are a one size fit all, so it's not like a specific size, but they do stretch really well, and so they are a one size fit most. But I'm going to put this on. What one is this?
Can I put one on?
Hold on, I'm going to show our customers what's on the bottom of these socks.
Oh.
You guys, they're so cute.
I want to see.
Okay.
It says, I want to see.
Hold on.
I want to see it.
Okay, so I wear a size 8 women's. And these socks, like, I could pull them quite a bit tighter. I'm gonna first show you how much tighter I could pull them. Do you see where the heel is? And I wear a size 8. So if I don't have them super tight and I loosen them up again, it fits good.
Wait, I want to see what it says.
But you can, but it could fit a much tighter. It has the leaf on the sides, and then can you guys see this?
If you can read this, bring me my oils.
I know! Are you kidding me? How cute is that? I have been so excited to get these socks for that reason. So you just sit there here, don't pull them on. You just sit there on your couch with your feet up on Mother's Day, and you're like, you know, you have a relaxing personal aromatherapy inhaler. You just put your feet up and you tell your kids or your husband or whoever, hey, if you can read this, bring me my oils. Boom. How adorable. It is so adorable. I love it so much. Okay, so that is the next thing that's in here. Vaughn wants you to show this, and this is my favorite, the favorite pin that we have done. So this is a Best Mom Ever enamel pin. I'm going to take it out of the plastic. And it is my absolute favorite from all the pins we've ever done. Hold on, I'm going to show them. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. And I'm showing Facebook and YouTube first. So this is the pin right here. I should probably take it off of that
Are you
card.
keeping those socks?
Yeah, these are Mommy's. Right here, it's this adorable flower, and on it, I know it's hard to tell, it's too blurry, but it says best mom ever on the pin. It's so pretty, you guys. I love it so much. It's my favorite pin of all the pins we've done. Can you imagine how many moms are going to be wearing this pin come Mother's Day? Isn't that so fun? Look at
Look,
it.
it has an oil. It has a plant therapy.
Yeah, plant therapy leaf. The little green leaf coming off of it is a plant therapy leaf. And it says best mom ever on the pin.
So
Like,
cute.
I can totally imagine all the moms wearing this pin on Mother's Day. We would, and if you guys, when you get this set on Mother's Day, we would love to see you in all of your socks and your pin, and take a picture and tag us using hashtag I love plant therapy. The next thing that I'm going to pull, well, I want to show you, there's also this really cute best mom ever sticker. So if you wanted to make your mom a card, or do whatever, there's also, it also comes with, and maybe you just keep this one yourself, but it also comes with this little best mom ever sticker that matches all the designs, which is really cute. Okay, the next thing that I want to show you is the best mom ever blend. So this blend is what is scenting the body butter and the body oil that I'm going to show you in a minute. You are killing us. Let us know what it smells like. So this is the best mom ever blend. I'm going to tell you what's in it. It has tangerine, clove, vetiver, and then it has a couple isolates in it that really just help it give it that depth and uniqueness. And then it has jasmine and rose. So what's really unique about this oil is you get the really kind of grounding oils from like the clove and the vetiver, and then you get those really floral oils. So it's really like a, I'm just gonna smell it. But it's not like super floral or, super like grounding and deep oils. It's like such a good mixture of both of them. Oh, I put it on my nose. It's just so good, you guys. And you guys know how much I'm not a huge fan of a lot of florals. Like, I do not like rose at all. And I do not like lavender at all. I do not like either one of those. And this oil is just such a good mix of like those like, I don't know, those deep kind of dark, more woodsy oils. Like with the vetiver, and then you get like that really kind of fresh, intense from the clove, and then just the florals that really soften it. It really is just such a fantastic balance. And I'm going to add it to the diffuser. I told you I haven't been diffusing in here. Oh no, I just got my card wet. I told you I haven't been diffusing in here because I've been doing a lot of product sample testing, but I don't have any product samples to test today. So I'm going to put this baby in here. I think I did 4 or 5 drops. I don't know how many actually came out. And then I'm going to let this diffuse for a little bit and let you know while it's diffusing what I think. Here we go. You see that? Can you see the steam coming out? It's so pretty. Okay. So yeah, it's not super florally at all, actually. I get a lot of it's such a balance because it also has that citrus that really brightens it and kind of softens it all up. You guys, it's so good. I think it's better in the diffuser, honestly, because I get more citrus in the diffuser. Oh, it's like a, you know what it kind of reminds me of? It kind of reminds me like of what a drink would smell, with like clove and then a little bit of floral and citrus. That's what it kind of reminds me of. Like, it has that sweetness. It's so good. It's better in the diffuser for sure. I haven't smelled it in the diffuser yet. It's so good. Okay. So that's going to be going, but we're going to get back to what's in this. How strong is the vetiver? Oh, I mean, that's hard coming from someone who loves vetiver. It's not strong. No, even me who's obsessed with vetiver and I smell it all the time and I love it, I have to really focus to really pull out vetiver. So I definitely think it just like helps balance everything, but it's not like a main aroma for sure in there. Yeah, I'm definitely getting like the spice from the clove and the sweetness and the brightness from the tangerine. and then just a hint of floral, a hint of like deep floral. It's amazing. Okay, so next we kind of get to like a spa treatment for everyone, which it's definitely something that I think every mom, especially right now, needs. And that's what is going to finish out this box. So first we have an unscented sugar scrub. So that's this one with the pink label with the, well, it's more of a, it's not really a pink label. Ooh, do you hear that bubble in there? It's like a more of a salmon label, but right here with this label, this is the unscented body scrub. You can scent it with the Best Mom Ever, or you can use it unscented. You can scent it with another one of your favorite oils. There's a lot of options here, but it is a body scrub, and I'm going to show you what that texture looks like. Okay, so this is what the texture looks like. The thing that's really awesome about this body scrub is it's not like one of those body scrubs where it separates, so it's really easy for anybody to use. It has a nice soft scrub to it, so the products in here, the ingredients in here aren't like super coarse or super hard. It has a nice, really soft scrub to it. And it's really just like buttery and thick, and really just a really good texture to it. And I don't have a towel to wipe this off or anything, so that wasn't very smart of me. Yeah, it isn't separate. It is combined really well. Hold on, you guys, I have a towel right over here. It's combined really well, which I think is really convenient, and you know, just a lot easier, I think, sometimes to use and stuff. So I'm making a mess, but that's okay. But it's lovely. So this is 8 ounces. Let me just double check. Yep, 8 ounces. And it's unscented. So you can scent it if you want. You can use the Best Mom Ever blend that it comes with. You can use whatever other essential oils. This is for you and only you. So do whatever you love. I personally love to use these in the bath, which kind of sounds gross. Although I always take showers after my baths, but I love to just sit in the bath and just like scrub myself down, because it seems way more relaxing to me than doing it in the shower. So you can use this in both places, because when I was testing this, I used it in the shower and in the bath. And it's absolutely, absolutely wonderful. Yes, you can add oils to the scrub. The scrub is unscented, and you can scent it however you want. You can add oils to the scrub. Okay, who's ready for another product? The next one is when you're done with the scrub and you're out of the bath, you're out of the shower, your body has all the dead skin cells and everything's been scrubbed off, and you're just feeling so refreshed and wonderful. This is what you're going to do. Oh, and we also have this towel that it comes with that you can use in the bath as well. It's an adorable, like, pinky salmon, more of like a salmon color. Low plant therapy on the tag. So just a nice towel that you can use as a face wash or something like that. And it's a good size too. So I know a lot of you, and I like to as well, you can roll it up and use it as like a neck pillow in the bath, you know, where you sit on the bath right behind your neck and you lay on it. Oh, it's so comfortable. And the color's just absolutely adorable. So I love it. And it's really soft. It's like the microfiber kind of towel. Okay, so you're out of the bath, you're out of the shower, you've already scrubbed your body with this amazing body scrub. Next is the body oil. And when I was packaging this, so I was helping put this set together, and this body oil, it's 4 ounces, and every time I grabbed it to put it in the set, I was like, oh, that box is so pretty. I'm obsessed with this box. I think I want to just keep the box. But inside is even a more amazing body oil. Look at that. Who wants to use this body oil? So this body oil, as well as the butter I'm about to show you, is scented with the Best Mom Ever blend. So that's really nice because you have all these wonderful aromas. It would be a great perfume because you have the citrus and the floral, and then the, you know, spiciness, like all of the best-selling perfumes. That's kind of the ingredients that are in there. So it's so fantastic. So it says, add a generous amount to your palm and massage all over your body, allowed to absorb before getting dressed. So this is a little pump right here. Can you see that? This is a little pump, and you would just pump it out onto your hands, and then just apply to your body. Oh my goodness. And after you've just used that scrub and all your pores and everything are open and this moisture is just gonna soak in there. Oh, you guys, it's so good. It's so good. I mean, I'm getting a little bit more of the floral when I apply it to my skin. Oh, but then that spiciness, you guys. I am going to put this all over my body because I want to see what my husband says about this scent when he gets home. So good. So good. And then you can just see how I'm already just like so much shinier and stuff from that body oil. It is not like a greasy oil at all. It really does go in. So you saw I did about 3 or 4 pumps in my hand. So it was probably the size of like a nickel. And then that was just like the perfect amount for both of my arms. Yeah, it's already drying like so quickly. It's already going, but you can just see like the shine on my arms now. So soft. Okay. Like I have, it's, you know, I just applied that and I don't feel like I need to wipe my hands off before I keep touching things, which is really nice because sometimes you do feel like that. Do you see all this scrub? I don't feel like that at all. So I do have little pieces of the salt, the sugar. It's a sugar scrub. I do have little pieces of this sugar on my hand. Okay, so last but not least is the scented body butter. So this is the same as Plant Therapy's unscented body butter. It's the unscented body butter base. So for those of you who love the new body butter, this is the base. And then again, it's scented with the best Mom Ever blend that the set also comes with. So you guys are very familiar with, oh no, there we go, with the texture of the body butter already. For those of you that have it and those of you that don't have it, I'm going to show you what that texture is really fast. It's a very buttery texture. Like it just reminds me, it has a bounce like butter does, like softened butter does. I just really love it. And you can see from the oils that it's this beautiful like yellow color. It's such a pretty color. But it's a really good texture. That I personally use the age defying because I like the added benefits of the age defying cream, of all the ingredients that give it that age defying, the age defying benefit. Oh, it's so good. I can definitely smell it on myself still, so I can let you know by the end of the video. I'm getting a question if the scent lasts. I'll let you know by the end of the video, but I can definitely smell it on myself as well still. So here's the body butter. And again, for those of you that know, the body butter and the age defying body cream have a very similar texture to them. They're both like, the texture is absolutely wonderful on both of them. I personally use the unscented age defying body cream just because I want the added benefits of the age defying, but this is nice to use. I would still use the age defying as like a full body moisturizer. That's what I do now, but this would be nice to use just like on your upper body to help you smell, to kind of give you that, so you don't have to use a perfume or something, right? This is going to help you smell amazing. So here we go. Look at this. I am just like, I feel like I just went to a spa. You guys were watching the whole time, but I feel like I just went to a spa. Okay, so this is interesting. In the butter, I am getting more of the citrus and clove. In the oil, I got a little bit more of the floral. And then diffusing, it's like, it's all just amazing. So it's really interesting as you use all these products, as I'm using all these products one after another, how the smell comes. But that's it, you guys. Who's ready for another giveaway?